are you ready, Karthik? Okay, let's learn first sound rule. Okay, there are 6 sounds in first group. First, S. Yes, make the sound. Just like snake makes the sound. Very good. And this is A. A makes the sound. And. Okay. This is T. T makes the sound. Yes. T make the same sound. T make the sound. Very good. Next. This is I. And I makes the sound. E. Very good. Now, okay. Here. This is P. P makes the sound. Same as in parrot. Okay. P makes the sound. Yes. Yes. We make the sound through our nose. Okay, got it. Can you repeat all the sounds? Very good. Yes. Very good. Now let's learn some basic words. Are you ready? Okay. This is
And.
very good. Try this one.
East.
Eat. Yes. Now let this. Good. This one.
Is.
Is. Yes. Now read this one.
And.
Well done.
And.
Sounds.
Band.
Very good. This one.
Dan.
Very good. This one.
Ten.
Okay. Now read this one.
At.
At. Sack.
Sack.
Very good.